Combining sentences using relative clauses. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we are going to dive into the fascinating world of relative clauses and learn how to combine sentences using them. Relative clauses are an essential part of English grammar and can greatly enhance your ability to express yourself fluently. So, let's get started. Relative clauses are subordinate clauses that provide additional information about a noun in the main clause. They are introduced by relative pronouns or relative adverbs, such as who, whom, which, that, and where. By using relative clauses, we can combine two or more sentences into a single sentence, making our speech more concise and cohesive. Let's look at an example. Sentence 1. The book is on the table. Sentence 2. I bought the book yesterday. By combining these two sentences using a relative clause, we can say, the book that I bought yesterday is on the table. As you can see, the relative clause, that I bought yesterday, provides additional information about the noun, book. There are two types of relative clauses: defining and non-defining. Defining relative clauses. Defining relative clauses provide essential information about the noun they modify. They cannot be removed from the sentence without changing its meaning. In defining relative clauses, we commonly use the relative pronouns who, whom, which, and that to refer to people, things, or animals. Example 1. Sentence 1. The girl is my sister. Sentence 2. She lives in London. By combining these sentences using a defining relative clause, we can say, the girl who lives in London is my sister. Here, the relative clause, who lives in London, defines which girl we are talking about. Non-defining relative clauses. Non-defining relative clauses provide additional information about the noun they modify. They are not essential to the main clause and can be removed without changing the sentence's core meaning. In non-defining relative clauses, we often use the relative pronouns who, whom, which, and that to refer to people, things, or animals. Example 2. Sentence 1. My dog, which is a Labrador, loves to play fetch. Sentence 2. He is very friendly. By combining these sentences using a non-defining relative clause, we can say, my dog, which is a Labrador, loves to play fetch. He is very friendly. Here, the non-defining relative clause, which is a Labrador, provides additional information about the noun, dog, but it can be omitted without changing the main message of the sentence. Now it's time for a practice exercise. I'll provide you with a set of sentences, and your task is to combine them using relative clauses. Remember to consider whether a defining or non-defining relative clause is appropriate for each sentence. Exercise sentences. 1. The woman is my neighbor. 2. She has 3 children. 3. Her children are very well behaved. Pause the video and try to combine these sentences using relative clauses. When you're ready, resume the video for the solution. Solution. The woman who is my neighbor has 3 children, and her children are very well behaved. In this example, we use a defining relative clause because we want to provide essential information about the noun, woman. Congratulations on